Hello, welcome to TELUGU. Today let's see of how to make a cabbage pickle. Ingredients required to make this are cabbage half kg, Bengal gram dal 1 spoon, black gram 1 spoon, mustard seeds half spoon, jeera half spoon, dried red chili 4 in numbers, garlic 10 numbers, ingua a dash of it, turmeric a pinch of it, ava powder 1/4 spoon, fenugreek powder 1/4 spoon, chili powder 2.5 spoons, oil 3 spoons, salt 1.5 to 2 spoons or as required to your taste buds, lemon 3 numbers, curry leaves as shown. Now let's look at the preparation. Take a cabbage in a bowl. To it add chili powder, salt, ava powder, fenugreek powder, turmeric and juice the 3 lemons and mix them well as shown in the next picture. The well mixed recipe should look like this. Take a frying pan and add oil to it and heat it. After the oil is heated, first add dried red mirchi and then add jeera, mustard seeds and Bengal gram. Add curry leaves and ingua and switch off the gas and add this to the cabbage pickle. And yes, sumptuous cabbage pickle is ready for you. Hope you would enjoy this recipe. Since we haven't added tamarind to this, the life of this pickle would normally be there for a week. Please, after you use it, please put it in the fridge and consume the entire thing in less than a week. If you're satisfied, please refer this to your friends, and for further more recipes, please visit us on TELUGU. Thank you.